Hi food lovers, have you ever tasted a soup so fresh, so slimy and so packed with flavor that it makes your taste bud dance? Today I am bringing you a Nigerian classic, fresh okra soup with ugu, cooked the traditional way, just like mama used to make it. No shortcuts, no cheats, just pure goodness from pot to plate. If you are new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and comment. Also ring the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. We drop new unique videos every week. So let's get into it. Let's check out some of the ingredients we will be using. Here is our fresh okra straight from the farm. Why is okra good for health? Okra is high in fiber, it supports blood sugar control, it aids in weight management, it improves skin and hair, it supports eye health, and it is good for pregnancy. We will be using ugu as well, or pumpkin leaf. This is also straight from the farm. Here is a tip. Ensure to always pluck your ugu leaf first and then rinse it very well until there are no sand in it before cutting it. This is very important because cutting first before washing it means that you have rinsed out some of the nutrients, but rinsing first before slicing the ugu ensures that the nutrients are intact. Also, aside from using ugu in soups and stew, do you know that you can use your pumpkin in smoothies and juice, for herbal medicines, to replenish blood? We also have a video on how to use your ugu leaf to replenish your blood or to use it as a blood tonic. Check out the link in the description box below. Also, you can also use it in stir fries and sauce, also in porridge additions and so on. So pumpkin leaf is not only for soups and stew. This is after plucking, washing and slicing the ugu leaf, and this is our chopped okra. We only chop it, we did not grate it at all. Our chopped okra. We also have our beef, our parboiled beef, our scotch bonnet, grated scotch bonnet, potash, and then we also have blended crayfish, locust beans, and then dry fish or mangala fish. We are also using periwinkle also to cause sliminess. So now we are boiling the beef with some salt and seasoning, and then that is our soaked stockfish. We have soaked this with hot water and some salt. Also the dry fish, we soaked it with hot water and salt as well to remove the dirt and germs. And that is our periwinkle, well cleaned periwinkle. Check out our video on how to properly clean, break your periwinkle. And that is the locust beans, and then the cow skin. Now the blended crayfish. We will add some more water to it and some ingredients as well, like the salt and the seasoning, and we will leave this to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until they are soft and tender. Because once okra and ugu goes in, they are not going to stay in it for too long, because we need that crunchiness and that leafy texture. Here is after 10 minutes. You can see it cooking and boiling, so this is okay for us. It is tender, well done. Now we can go in with the red oil or the palm oil. We will also leave this to cook for a while with the grated scotch bonnet, seasoning and salt. Loving the tips and recipes? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook covering everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. Now back to the video. We will leave this to cook again for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the star ingredients, the okra. Stir it in and watch the magic happen. That slimy texture is everything. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes to keep it fresh and crunchy. Don't cook it for too long. We are not adding onion to this okra recipe. Onion is sometimes considered not ideal for okra soup. Onion aren't bad for okra soup, but onion contains sulfur compounds and acidity, which can reduce the sliminess of okra during cooking. And you know it is the sliminess most people want. Onion can also change the traditional flavor or profile of the okra soup. And most traditional recipes simply don't include onions in their okra soup recipe. Finally, add your sliced ugu leaves. This brings in color, nutrition, and that subtle earthly flavor. Stir gently and cook for just 1 to 2 more minutes. Don't overcook the ugu as well. Leave the ugu leaf half done so as to get the nutrients intact. This is why you need more ugu or pumpkin leaf. It helps in managing diabetes, it improves fertility, it aids digestion and prevents constipation. It is rich in iron and helps prevent anemia. It also supports eye health for those that have eye issue, and it also boosts immune system and promotes healthy skin. Have you ever soaked okra overnight for drinking? Okra water also has a powerful health benefit. It controls blood sugar, it boosts fertility traditionally, it aids in weight loss, it strengthens bones, and it also has anti-fatigue properties. Look at that rich, green and absolutely inviting. Pair it with eba, semo, fufu or pounded yam and you are good to go. The okra is fresh, the ugu adds that special touch and the meat is packed with flavor. We also have a video on how to make tasty local okra soup with ogbono paired with ugu, the best easy way. The link will be in the description box below, so check out that video. You can follow us on our displayed social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments what is your favorite soup to cook at home. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tasty and traditional. Bye. See you in our next video.